Dear admissions, it is great to have the opportunity to introduce myself in this video. My name is Shengqin, and I am currently in my final year of studying tourism management at Beijing University of Agriculture. I am someone who enjoys taking on the challenges, pays close attention to details, and strives for excellence in everything I do. In addition to achieving high academic grades, I am also an active participant in extracurricular activities. I have been involved in several innovation and entrepreneurship competitions. Besides, during my time working at the Nanning Hotel and Shengqin supply chain management company, I gained a rich experience in supply chain and hotel management. In addition, I have participated in some community service activities because I believe in giving back to society and making a positive impact. I am very excited about the possibility of studying the MSc Operation and Supply Chain Management program at the City University of Hong Kong. I believe this program will provide me with a broader development space and opportunities to better achieve my career goals. Thank you. I'm excited to pursue a master's degree in operations and supply chain management for a few reasons. First, during the COVID-19 pandemic, I saw firsthand how the supply chains were disrupted and food shortages occurred. It made me realize the importance of the supply chain management in the hospitality industry and how it affects our daily lives. I want to understand and analyze the complex supply chain networks to make them more resilient. Second, from an academic perspective, I discussed with my tourism management professors the impact of the pandemic on risk management and business continuity in the tourism supply chain, considering the current issues in the supply chain industry, like rising oil prices, inflation, and problems with raw material quality and delivery. I feel the urge to gain more knowledge and find solutions. The Operation and Supply Chain Management program offers courses in Excel, R, and Python for predictive analysis and business analysis, which are crucial in this era of big data. I believe these courses will be helpful in my future career. I have a solid foundation in business knowledge, including market and human resources and finance. During my undergraduate studies, I learned about supply chain theory, market demand fluctuations, supply chain resilience, and other theoretical models. I also understand the importance of digital technology in tourism supply chains and risk management. In terms of the professional experience, I have worked at Nanning Hotel and Shengqin supply chain. Starting from a frontline position, I have closely interacted with production, logistics, and warehousing. I have also communicated and coordinated with suppliers, production teams, and logistics companies, and I have learned to optimize the supply chains by using digital technology. For example, I helped optimize the seafood supply chain by using data to calculate optimal delivery plans and packaging materials. I also suggested implementing automation such as logistics robots and intelligent packaging equipment to reduce order errors. This was crucial as the company served 500,000 students and staff across 48 universities. The industry that interests me is the food and beverage industry or other physical industries that relate heavily on supply chain management. In the short term, I plan to invest in the Shengqin supply chain company. I may become a shareholder and manage the business expansion of Shengqin in Guangdong or even the Greater Bay Area. If the business expansion goes well in the short term, I might also consider starting my own business and investing in a supply chain management consulting firm in the next 5 to 10 years. The target clients would mainly be small and medium-sized enterprises or startups. I would provide them with digitalized supply chain operation methods, explore more efficient management practices, introduce systems such as ERP to organize and integrate data, and solve the existing problems in the industry, such as high costs, poor flexibility, and unguaranteed raw material quality. This would meet the transformation needs of small and medium-sized enterprises. Finally, my goal is to create green supply chain processes for more companies and contribute to the sustainable development of society and the environment. When I started my internship at Nanning Hotel and Shengqin supply chain company, I was pleasantly surprised by the manager's approach ability. He encouraged employees to come to his office and share their daily work experiences. During my internship at Nanning Hotel and Shengqin supply chain company, I was impressed by the manager's approach ability and willingness to listen to employees' suggestions. This created a positive and collaborative work environment. However, things took a different turn when I interned at Liangqing District Political and Legal Committee. Unlike the commercial companies I had experienced before, members was not involved in setting tasks or making important decisions. This rigid and inflexible work culture was new to me, and it took me sometimes to adjust. Another aspect that differed from my previous experiences was the strict leave policy. In government agencies like the committee, taking leave was not commonly granted. To handle these situations, I had to be adaptable and open-minded. I learned to be understand and respect the different work cultures and expectations in each environment. It also taught me the value of the effective communication and collaboration in achieving common goals. I would like to share my achievements and awards in innovation and entrepreneurship competitions, where I actively considered supply chain issues. In the design of the immersive red tourism experience centered project, I worked with the Professor Liu Zhi to optimize the resource allocation, improve efficiency and service quality, and integrate culture and tourism. We used local specialty walnuts to create antique products, boosting sales and reaching the tourism. We established good relationships with suppliers, reduced the logistics costs, and ensured quality. Besides, I also acquired skills in using sparse software for tourism survey and analysis, which will be helpful in future supply chain studies. I am excited about the Operation and Supply Chain Management program at City University of Hong Kong. I look forward to meeting like-minded friends from around the world. Thank you for considering my application.